Alright guys, YouTube friends, in this video I'm going to show you the easy step by step how to add a user to your Google Analytics account as a viewer. Okay, so let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Google Analytics account and pick your website. When you pick your website, you go to admin. When you click admin, this window right here should pop out. Okay, so you want to go to property access management. When you click property access, you can click property access management or view access management to go. You want to click this cross here and add users. So you want to make sure the email address is correct and scroll down and pick the role of the user. You want this guy to be viewer. So when you pick viewer, you go to add. When you add this guy, when you add the email, then the email should come out here. As you can see here, these viewers can view the performance of this website here and the traffic. So that's how you do it. Let me know what you don't like about this video. Let me know what you like. Drop your comment down below. Subscribe to this channel. And if you guys want to know how to add a user as a restricted to your Google Search Console account, you want to check the link down below. Okay, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.